Alright, red Mustang Boss 302. Paint's faded, dust everywhere. Some surface rust down low, but the frame's still solid. We'll take it one step at a time. Cutting the rust back to clean steel, nice and slow. New metal goes in right here, strong, straight. That's our foundation. Just easing this panel back into shape. Old paint comes off, surface gets smooth. Feels right. First coat, thin. Second coat, even. Clear goes on last, brings the color back to life.
All right guys, welcome back. Today we're looking at the Boss 302 interior. I just love this cue ball shifter and the gauges are crystal clear.
Final polish, chrome, badges, paint. There it is. Boss 302 back where it belongs.
All right guys, check out the Boss. We just finished the cut and buff and man, this red just pops. It's like glass now. Look at this absolutely flawless candy apple red paint on the Boss 302. The restoration team did an incredible job with the bodywork